This is the exact region Bitcoin will bottom out, and we will see a further move towards the upside from of this point. But please keep in mind, Bitcoin needs to drop 30% towards the downside before we can see a bottom getting formed. With that, the Wyckoff distribution is still playing out perfectly here. We are heading towards our target, and with that, we are in some massive profits over on our trades we have been opening up on Bitcoin. This trade is up almost 100%, and this trade is up 41% towards the downside, combined almost $30,000 in a profit. I am about to share what I will do next over on Bitcoin and with this trades, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and of course to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those daily update videos. And let's dive right away in the pattern we are currently seeing on a daily time frame, because Bitcoin is creating a bullish accumulation pattern, and this could start the next rally towards the upside for Bitcoin. But one thing is pretty important to know: we're not even close towards that bottom. We still need some very big movements towards the downside before we can open up long positions on Bitcoin if we are going to play out with this accumulation pattern. Right now, we have been pumping above the AR here, and that is the phase we are in right now. So right now, we are in this current phase. That is exactly what we have been printing over on this accumulation pattern. But as we can see, Bitcoin will drop towards the downside below the SC, which we have been doing right over here to take everyone out of their positions before Bitcoin starts to rally on towards the top side of the range of approximately $76,000, before Bitcoin will dump further on towards the downside from of this point to take the ST from phase B out here, and after that Bitcoin will rally on towards the upside. But this could take a pretty long time. With this, we can open up several trades within this accumulation phase, and that is exactly what we have been doing, because we can short this move towards the downside. That is exactly the trades we are in right now. After that, we can long the swipe from of the lowest point of this accumulation phase, and after that we can short the next move towards the downside once again towards the spring and the liquidity takeout of this phase B. So this could lead for a $58,000 bottom for Bitcoin, and if that happens and we swipe all these lows out here, I am going all in on Bitcoin. But for now, it is irrelevant because we still need to see some further move towards the downside coming for Bitcoin. So right now, I am still very bearish on the Bitcoin price action, and that is because of this Wyckoff distribution model. We have been seeing this playing out before it even happened right over here. And the most beautiful part about this is I've been sharing this Wyckoff distribution phase from of these points, and I've been opening up positions from of that point. With that, I'm currently in at almost $15,000 of a profit. I've been opening up this short positions from of these points up here, completely transparent. Before the price even hit this target, I was sharing that I opened up a limit position from off this point, and right now we are in approximately $15,000 profit. I will take profit at the $75,000 mark here, and that is the lower side of this Wyckoff distribution. That is where Bitcoin is tend to find some support, but afterwards Bitcoin could rally further on towards the downside. That is exactly what could align with the further move down in this Wyckoff accumulation pattern. But right now I want to take profit off the table at the $75,000 mark, because it is possible for Bitcoin to dump towards that $75,000 mark, and after that we'll pump further on towards the upside. And I want just to take risk off the tables of those trades, because right now I'm literally 30k in a profit and I don't want to waste them. I've put my stop loss on the $78,600 here, so if Bitcoin tends to pump towards that level, I am out of this position with approximately $9,200. in a profit here. So that is my current plan on Bitcoin, and I still think that $75,000 mark will get hit within this week over on Bitcoin. And with that, I will take 16k profit from of this trade. And like I said, I will give away a portion of this profit back towards the community. So please make sure to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel to enter this giveaway if we take full profit on this massive trade here. Right here, what we actually can see is still, I think Bitcoin could see some further downward movement below that $75,000 mark, because what we have been doing is we have been stacking up a pretty big chunk of liquidity on the lower side here. That means that everyone is long from of those points, and if Bitcoin wants to turn bullish once again, we can't have every single person getting longed in the market. So they probably need to get marked first before we will see a further move towards the upside happen. With that, my targets are approximately also the $75,000 mark, but it would be really nice for Bitcoin to take out the $73,700 mark. Also, if you look at the price action right now, we are just getting rejected every single time by this resistance point here. If we get rejected by this once again, I still think Bitcoin will get another massive shakeout towards the downside. And with that, I've been opening up another position over on Bitcoin. I will not take profit from of this trade with the $75,000 mark. I will let this trade run towards the downside. If we hit the $75,000 mark and this trade is taking profit here, I will move my stop loss towards break even on this trade, but I will let this trade run towards at least the towards $72,000 mark. And if that happens, I will take approximately 30k from off this trade. So that is perfectly fine. And like I said in previous videos, of course, we are printing here over on the channel because literally combined in percentages, I make 130% with this short towards the downside. Of course, you need to know that the money that is in a profit on these trades is just because I've been depositing a $100,000 in this trading account. That is maybe not reachable for you guys, but the percentages are there. If you deposited $10,000 and you took those trades with me, you would make $13,000 from that trade. And with that, we have been launching something pretty hyped in the upcoming weeks here. That your portfolio would look something like this, because everyone was scared to short the market, and we have been doing so exactly at the tops, and we have been sharing it completely live and completely for free in my Telegram community. And I don't want to be the guy that is printing money out of thin air here in the markets. I want you to benefit from this as well. And that is why I've been working on something really big behind the scenes. And the most beautiful part about that is it is completely free to join. So please make sure to get early access on what is about to drop next, completely for free. To join the early access, please make sure for now to join the free Telegram community with the link in the description. If you are in that Telegram community, you will be the first one to notice about what is about to drop. And also what is about to drop is just something massive in this space. And it's completely for free, so you can literally join free early access right now to be the first one to be completely free in the community what is about to drop next. So please make sure to join that free Telegram community with the link in the description. And with that being said, I would also really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And of course, I would like to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.